back, family. Thanks for tuning in to Money Moves, where we talk money. Before we get started, please consider helping the channel out by acquiring some free stocks with my link in the description below. If you find any value in the information I produce, if I help you create an additional stream of income, or even assist with a new perspective on passive income, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Okay, guys, please join me and the family on the road to 10K by destroying that subscription button, okay? Hey, guys, I'm Brandon Alexander, and for those who are new to the channel, welcome. I created the channel to express to the world how I create financial freedom and passive income through trading on the stock market, okay, guys? Today's hot pick is going to be Tattooed Chef. This is going to be the next play that we will be putting into our portfolio and building a position on our road to 10K. Okay, guys. When I did the research on these guys and I ran their financials and I did my due diligence, I had no other choice but to say, you know what, these guys need to know about this. I'm going to get this information to the family ASAP so we can get on the gravy train on our road to 10K. Okay, guys. So Tattooed Chef, we've got some really good info on these guys today. So take a seat and get your recorders out or your notepads. Take a few notes on these guys, just so you guys can have a little bit of background information about what we're buying versus me just doing the information and doing all of the research and bringing it to you. I want you guys to become a little bit more savvy as we go through investing. I want to teach you guys how to actually do this on your own if you'd like to do it in your spare time. Okay, guys. And it's always good to know what we're investing in and having a broader understanding about what's going on. Okay, so Tattooed Chef currently sitting at $23.85. Okay, guys, just to give you a little bit of background info on their business profile, Tattooed Chef's a plant-based food company. They produce and sell a portfolio of frozen food. So ultimately, it supplies plant-based products to its retailers in the U.S. They primarily offer ready-to-cook foods and things like that are plant-based. The good thing about Tattooed Chef is they're supposed to be the plant-based company that puts a little more spice in the foods, okay? They're supposed to have tastier food than most plant-based companies, and it's working out well for these guys so far, okay? You guys know me. I'm a big fan of balance sheets and things like that, so I got down into the financials and into the fundamentals here, and everything's looking good, guys. This is going to be the next one on our gravy train, okay? So a few key takeaways as far as rewards on this play. It's trading at a little bit above 20% below my estimate of its fair value, which is very good. It's trading 20% below its fair value. Okay, guys. And another thing that really caught my eye on these guys is their revenue is forecasted to grow 35% per year. Okay, which is another key takeaway and a reward for an investor, okay, for a savvy investor, okay, guys? And that's my job, to be savvy and do what I'm supposed to do to find the top picks for the family so we can eat. Okay, guys, these guys' earnings grew by 28% over the past year, and that's during the unprecedented times that we've experienced in our economy. Okay, guys. So as everyone knows, the vaccines have poured out. Things are starting to look forward in our economy. And this is going to benefit from the recovery of the economy, in addition to it already having solid balance sheets. Okay, guys. So Tattooed Chef, these dudes are the next ones up on our list. Okay, guys. So just to give you a little bit of information on these dudes, when I pulled out the charts, I noticed that their current price is around $23.85 currently. However, I estimated their fair value around $30. Okay, $30.08. Okay, guys. So these guys are performing under their fair value as far as the stock price, but they are performing well on their balance sheets, guys. And these are the types of things that we look for when we are purchasing businesses. Okay, guys, we're not just purchasing shares on the stock market. We are purchasing businesses, guys. Okay. Another good key takeaway is not only is it performing below its fair value, it's performing significantly below its fair value. Okay. In my strategy and way of looking at the stock market, anything trading 20% or below the fair value analyzation that I come up with is a steal, especially if they have great balance sheets. Okay, I can see a lot of future growth with these dudes. Okay, a lot of analysts see a lot of future growth with these guys, and they are just overall a solid company. Okay, so Tattooed Chef. Okay, play of the day, guys. Add that into your watch list and start to build your position around Tattooed Chef ASAP. Okay, guys, so let's get into the road to 10K challenge. We're currently sitting at $8,883.83. We're up a little bit more than $200 on the day, which is solid. All right, guys. These dudes at Tattooed Chef, they're doing the right stuff. And once we add this particular stock into our portfolio, it will propel our mission a lot faster and forward. Okay, so anybody new to the channel, there's going to be a suggestion box that pops up in the top right hand corner in just a second. Okay, guys, I want you to click that and watch that video so you can get in line with the family and get in on some of the plays that we have talked about over the last week and start to build your positions so you can get on the gravy train and on the road to 10K with the family. Okay, guys, so I just wanted to bring that to you guys, that hot stock pick. Get your positions built as soon as possible. And before I go, I just want to ask that everyone that isn't subscribed to the channel to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, and I appreciate you doing that in advance. Okay, join the family on the road to the gravy train. Okay, we're headed to 10K and we're headed there ASAP. Okay, guys, any comments or anything like that, please leave it down below in the description box. I'll get to all the comments through the day. I'll try to reply to as many of them as possible. Okay, guys, until the next one, peace and prosperity.